Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working with Didi's Deluxe Bead Box for the May 2022 edition. The theme is called Seasonal Bliss. This is a unique design-inspired curated theme box filled with trendy, hard-to-find beads that isn't considered a value box. It is a woman-owned business based in Canada. Her name is Stella. This is not an automatic subscription. Instead, they opt for you to purchase it every month, so that way you're not married to the subscription. It's a limited edition, first come, first serve basis, and it's $29.99 a month plus shipping. They ship within Canada and United States only. She is actually in Canada. Also, you could join her VIP Facebook group so you can take advantage of their de-stash deals, auction events, and giveaways, including 15% off on several of her new arrivals before they get listed onto the website, because sometimes the pieces are so popular that they don't even make it onto the website. They get bought right off of the Facebook group. So below is a code for you, Kelly15, to use for your first order towards 90% of the website listings. However, it's not applicable on the Deluxe Bead Box, the Mystery Grab Bags, or the Didi's Designer Collection. I will leave all the links below to her information, so be sure and check out her website. It's really nice. Okay, so today I'm going to make a quick pair of earrings. I've been looking at all the beads. You can watch the bead unboxing I did with these, and I came up with this. I thought this was so cute. I loved these beads, and I loved them inside of the flower outline like that. So I just thought these were really cute. So I just made a quick pair of earrings. I'm going to put these on and show you these. I just thought these are so cute. And this will go with the other thing that I'm going to make from the box too. That'll be in another video. So here I have this. So here I have, let me see how long this is. This is, okay, I have a 3-inch head pin. So I have it right here. And I'm going to start by taking one of the filigree bead caps. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put this bead on. Then I'm going to take these. Now what I did was I made sure that the hole, see inside the orange bead, matched the hole there. So that can go right through like that. And then I'm going to do, this one. I'm going to put this one on. I'm just following the earring that I already made. Then another one. Then I'm going to do the yellow one. And as you can see, I did that just like that. So these are a cute, fun pair of summery earrings to make. Get one more bead cap. Here. Okay. And then I did that, and then I this blue one on, and that. So it matches this. I'm going to take my pliers, I'm going to bend it this way. Then I'm going to take my, I'm just going to clip it a little bit shorter. And you want to clip it so that the flesh part is right there. I always close my eyes when I clip these because I'm terrified that this little piece here could fly into my eye. I suggest you guys do the same. Oh, slipping out of my hand here. Get this here. Where did that go? Okay. Now we going, and then I just kind of move it down. It's kind of hard to hold this together because it's kind of wiggly here. There we go. That's perfect. And then just turn that open. Put that like this. You have a really cute pair of little summer earrings. These would be perfect with like a little sundress, or, you know. I'm thinking I'm going to make a choker for the next video. I'm thinking about using this for the choker. I might make a choker and a bracelet. I'm not really sure. But I wanted to show you these because these are just so adorable. So I hope you enjoyed making these, and if you hope this inspires you to get some ideas for this box if you have them. So thanks for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell below so you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. And you can follow me on my links below on Etsy, Instagram, and Facebook, and Pinterest. So you can follow me in there. And I hope you all have a really great day, and I hope this inspires you and gets you ready for the summer months ahead. And I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.